Good evening, everyone. Hope you are doing great. Welcome to 360 DigiTMG channel. And here today, I'm going to explain the details about the internship program that you are going to kickstart. Of course, this is absolutely free, and you can register from the government bodies. You probably are a student who is registering for this particular program with 360 DigiTMG. So this is specifically for you people, and of course, all the others who are registered for the free internship program. First of all, congratulations because you have chosen the right career path. Data science, data analytics are the next big thing in the industry. It's been trending for almost 5 to 6 years now. In fact, more than that. But yeah, we have seen a lot of buzz happening, especially after the COVID. So people who have chosen this as your academic career path, then I think you are on the right direction, friends. The challenge for all of you, majority of you, right, whether you are a college student or whether you are a working professional who's trying to apply for the jobs in this specific area, the problem currently is with respect to the practical exposure that you people need to have. You are getting trained, right? No doubt about it. You are learning, you are dedicated, and you have a lot of concepts which are essential and mandatory for you to upskill to the next level. But unless until you practically implement, unless until you do hands-on, you would not be able to gain the true essence of the subject that you're learning. This internship program is to help you gain that specific required knowledge in the space of data analytics or data science on how these concepts that you have learned are practically being implemented to solve business problems. This is basically a free program, and you would be working on a business problem under our guidance, under the industry expert from our side, to gain this practical knowledge and to also showcase this new skill that you are learning. We also will provide you a certificate. Practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge are very, very uh, different in itself, right? Both of them have a very, very big difference. And our efforts as part of this community service program, we are trying to bring in that uh, support to all the young breed of data analytics and data analysts and data scientists to cover that ground. My name is Sharat. This is my profile in LinkedIn. You can always connect. Welcome. You can connect with me, and all the information that I and along with my organization that right 360 DigiTMG and Innodatatics we keep sharing. You will also have that all the new skills, right? So you'll come to know new things as well. So please, I welcome everybody to connect. And I have industry experience, friends, and from that experience I'm speaking. I'm a director at Innodatatics, and I have 18 plus years of experience in the industry. So I have crossed, right, all these barriers and trying to reach to more, I should say, refined heights. So from my experience, I'm saying that theoretical knowledge and practical experience are completely different. All right. So this program, which you are going to do, is going to be devised into 45 days actual implementations, right? 45 days actual implementation part. There will be a lot of learning days, of course. These 45 days also from our side, where you're practically doing things along with your practice, comes into two phases. To support your learning, right, on various subjects that you are doing, we also have a 25 days dedicated learning for your upskilling. And to support your learning, we provide learning videos. And these learning videos are strategically placed across these 25 days in different durations of the time, day. You may get a video, learning video in the morning 6 a.m. or day begins early. And you will have to practice the content which is explained in that learning video. It will be like not more than a 1 hour video, friends. You don't have to really worry about learning things. We have placed the details in such a way, right? We've distributed the learning curve also in such a way that it becomes easy for you to practice and learn. And not just morning, we also have 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. slots. So the learning videos will come in these 3 slots. You may have a max of 3 hours video per day, right? This is completing, right? 3 slots. In some slots, you'll have only 2 hours, or in some days, you'll have only 1 hour learning. But the point is, whatever you're learning, whatever you're revising, you also have to showcase those skills. And this is an opportunity that we have tried to create so that you people can take benefit of, which is to help improve your professional profile. So the exam that we are going to conduct to evaluate your learning will also help you to build your profile in your LinkedIn account, because we conduct the exam over LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the world's top job recruitment platform. Employers, companies, HR people, they are looking at profiles from LinkedIn only. Right? That is the first profile, first portal, I should say, where people look out for profiles. So when you are actively updating your profile, you would get the required weightage on your profile, which can help your profile to be screened much before than the other profiles who are not active in marketing their skills. The exam that we are conducting would be a detailed answer, right? Long answer type question. So you will have to elaborate your answer. For example, I'll show you. I have a page open. Let me see. I'll show you that. Yeah, look at this. So you can see there will be a question like this. There are 2 questions. And you are supposed to write answers in comments in detail like this. All right. This is very, very essential. Now, what happens is your profile gets some additional content, right? Automatically, you are creating your own content. And over a period of time, when you keep answering all these questions, your profile will have a lot of related, relevant content for HR people to see. It creates weightage, isn't it? So this is one of our approach to help you not just learn, but also market your capabilities on the LinkedIn platform. We keep monitoring on the responses that you people are giving. And once you are done with your learning phase, then we actually come to the practice page or hands-on page. Now, once you are on this particular project phase, the second page of your internship, in this phase, you are going to implement the skills that you have learned till now, whether from right this revision purpose practice that you are doing, or whether from the academics that you have learned, or from some other sources where you have learned the skills, you are going to put them into practice. And the actual hands-on, right, actual implementation is strategically designed to be finished in 20 days. There will be a lot of research and all that you'll have to do prior to this, but the actual implementation will be for 20 days. And to guide you people to correctly implement the skills that you have learned, we have an expert guiding you. A data scientist would be connecting with you to guide you on what you are supposed to do in an organized manner. And to ensure that everybody is following these standards, we conduct meetings on daily basis from Monday to Friday on weekdays, that is, just for 15 minutes. This way, we will ensure that you're not losing the track of. And if you have any challenges, you can bring up those challenges in this meeting. This meeting is to specifically instruct on what you have done, what you have accomplished, and what you are supposed to do next. For the next 24 hours, what are you supposed to do? These are the two specific questions that will be addressed in this stand-up meeting. If you have any other challenges, of course, our team will be there. You'll connect with them and offline and then get your questions addressed. This is how the project will be implemented. The actual details, right? The actual business problem and actual internship task will be detailed when we come to this particular phase. Now, once this is done, once you have completed all the development, and once you submitted all your artifacts, right, all the documentation, all the code, everything that you have worked on, right, upon completing your project successfully, you will be given this certificate, right? It will be awarded by 360DigiTMG, along with, of course, might have different other constraints from where you're registering. Based on that, right, you'll get something similar to this kind of a certificate. It's just a sample certificate. This is to recognize your efforts, and you can very well again market this on your profile, saying that, hey, this is the new skill that I have acquired. The entire process, of course, right, you already know it is completely free. We are not charging anything for this free internship program that we are organizing for you. This is for, as part of a community service that we are trying to do as an organization. The project that you're going to do, right, this implementation is starting tomorrow. So from tomorrow onwards, you would be given these learning videos and you'll have to start going through them along with other practice that you're doing, right? And start contributing to your learnings by answering the questions in LinkedIn. From tomorrow onwards, it will start. Now, you might want to say that, hey, how do I know where do these questions come and all that? Questions are coming from 360DigiTMG team, and these questions will be posted on the LinkedIn profile of 360DigiTMG. So if you want to subscribe, right, come to this page and click on follow 360DigiTMG website, LinkedIn page. Once you get this page, right, you will be able to look at the questions that are getting posted. You can see this is basically a facilitation that has happened, right, in association with APSSDC. Right, we are partnered with them to ensure that we take the oath of upskilling 1.5 lakh students, right, and we give them the internships as well. This is Mr. Barney Kumar, who is the director of 360DigiTMG at the center, who is being facilitated by APSSDC, right, JP. So this is the commitment that we have taken, friends. And as part of this, you are getting this internship program. So connect with 360DigiTMG website and get to know the latest. How do you get to know, or where do you get to know these questions and next updates? In the chat, Yahoo chat, you can see a link posted. Ultimately, you will have to join by clicking on that link into a WhatsApp community. In that WhatsApp community, we will be sharing these learning videos and other details. So please register and you will start your project from tomorrow. And now there are a few people who probably have not received the emails from our side. That doesn't mean that you're not registered. If you have registered, then you are good to go. You can start participating into this activity right from tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. Just join the WhatsApp community and that's good enough for your registration. You might want to share this information for all those people who are probably looking out for internships. This is the first step, right? That we can provide you to ensure that your learning career, right, learning curve, and basically your professional career can be kick-started from this first step of internship. You might also want to know what kind of projects that, right, you probably will be doing. So there are a few examples that I have brought in. This example, right, this particular project that you're seeing here, the video representation, is in civil domain, civil industry. In construction, the steel rods are used to lay the foundation, isn't it? Before you pour the concrete, you need to have the base. So steel rods are bent and right, we call them as centering, isn't it? Centering work. So people basically bend the steel rods into a specific shapes, and then they bind them together to get that shape for your pillars and your roof, etc. Now, what happens is architects give this design. They provide the details on what shape, what size, what dimension of steel rods to be used in specific area. So it will be like more like a picture like this, right? It's a pictorial form, isn't it? So from here, the the construction workers, they look at these details and they manually cut the steel rods and then they design these foundations. We worked with this company, which is basically manufactures the steel rod cutting and bending machines. When we give this diagram, architecture diagram, the software that our team has developed, people like you, interns like you, right, contributed into this project along with our team. We capture this details and convert this into a table form. So let's, okay, I'll just mute that. So what happens is this entire information, when you click on process, will come into a table form. Just scroll down like this. Look at that. Now, when you give this information to the construction workers, it will be very easy for them to divide, go forward, cut the steel rods and bend them, right, etc. So this is one of the software that we have developed from analytics perspective. Likewise, we have a lot of such interesting projects. Yeah, this is another project in automobile industry. Oh, sorry, this is a hatchery, my bad. In hatchery, we will have these chicks which were basically breeded, right, in a controlled environment where they basically grow. There will be a specific duration, and tracking the growth of these chicks is very, very important to ensure that the poultry, the hatchery gets profits. So the application that we have developed is tracking each and every chick like this from the video, right from its first week, right, to the 45 days growth. With respect to its body temperature, its weight, movement, right, all these information is captured from the CCTV footages that we are seeing. So manually, you don't have to really worry about the tracking of the growth for these chicks. So these are the kind of innovative projects our team is working on. And for you, you'll have something similar. But yeah, you'll have to accomplish this project that you're doing and the stipulated time. So the problem statements that you're going to work on are not as complex as you are seeing here. But these are the projects that our excuse me, our team does. Now, when I say our team, I'll talk about the success stories from here. This is on 360DigiTMG website. If you scroll down, you'll see this read success stories. Here, you can download a PDF version of the document that we keep updating for all the people information, right, who have successfully got placed in the big companies, and whoever has agreed to have the details online, you will see this right information. There are all very big MNCs, the top four as well. And not just in India, friends, our people are placed in different countries as well. US, UK, Singapore, Malaysia, Dubai, for example. Recently, we have conducted the YouTube live session. I'll take you to that YouTube channel also. If you scroll down all the way, you see YouTube and LinkedIn. I'll take you to YouTube channel here. And what I want to highlight here is the videos that we conduct, right? These are live videos that you can see. Live sessions just like this. Every day we have live sessions being conducted where we bring in people who have accomplished research articles, right? Who have done research on different projects, industry experts. We also have sessions on resume building, project description. Just now I explained about bird detection, right? So in that project, you will have again subtasks, complex challenges. So this one project is coming up on 19th, which explains about what our team has done with respect to tracking the health of the chick, right? And generative AI, which is the most trending topic today, we'll have a session on this Sunday, 18th February at 5 p.m. So you might want to connect and learn these new things that are happening. These are the success stories, as I told, right? Alshaya Group is one of those companies, right, which is providing I should say, franchise for all the reputed companies like you'll talk about Gucci, then you talk about Victoria's Secrets, right? So all these fancy and luxurious franchisees can be taken from Alshaya Group only if you are interested in Dubai. So this is one of the top companies, right? You can see Ernest and Young. We have people working in Emirates, Dubai. So there are many people who have successfully got placed like this by working on these kind of projects. So this is a very good opportunity for you to also kickstart your career into this exciting domain of data science and data analytics. You also can learn a lot of things, friends, right? There are interesting topics that are covered, right? And look at this. Animated videos are also there on the website. Let me take you to the learning resources. You can see a lot of the information is available on the learning resources. It is absolutely free, friends. Interview questions are there. You can download a digital book. This is a very interesting digital book for practice purpose. It contains all visualization. You can download the PDF version of the book here from the website. And if you look at this, right, nice images for every topic, we will have like these, right? Very interesting graphical representation for easy understanding. All right. So grab your version. It's completely free, friends. So you can download and start learning from this. Mind maps will help you to comprehensively understand the overall concept of data science, Python, SQL. Many mind maps are available here on the website. You can see R programming is also there, Python programming, SQL concepts are there, right? Data science concepts are there, data engineering, Power BI. So a lot of these interesting concepts are available here. This helps you to understand the correlations between different topics. It will help you understand, track your learning on these different concepts. And it gives you a bird's eye view of all the concepts that you should be learning or should be familiar with. A very, very interesting and useful link that you might want to hold to. This is where you can take quiz. It allows you to take a quiz for 60 questions, right? And it will help you to understand where do you stand. If you're working on projects, then you can use this ML architecture assistant page where you will be able to download the workflows by easily navigating to this, right? And you have beginner, intermediate, and advanced architectures. All right. So if you are working on a machine learning implementation, then you might want to look into the flow architecture design of your entire project, and you can use this page for downloading the page in a PDF format. The architecture is designed. You can drag and drop and then validate and export it into a PDF format. So you don't have to spend a lot of time in designing your architecture for project. Another very important and highlighter of this learning resources page is resume mapper. It will map the resume along with the job description that you are probably getting, right? This is, of course, it will get updated. You'll also be able to copy paste the content of job description directly here, or you can upload the PDF form. For example, right? I'll just give you a short example. I'll take example resume, and I'll also take example job description. Let me see if I can grab job description, right? Some sample, picking it up. And here I'll click on compare. It is processing your resume to see how close your skill sets are for this job description which is given, right? And what it gives is a report, a comparison report, along with the skill sets that you are basically not having in your resume, right? So this example resume that I have uploaded is only having 30% matching with the job description that is given. And these are some of the skills that the resume is not having. Now, when you look at this kind of a comparison report, you will be able to understand what skills you are not showcasing, even if you are familiar with those. This way, it will help you to refine your resume also. For example, you know what does Spark means. You might want to update your resume to have this particular skill set added into your resume, right? That way, the matching score also improves and your resume becomes much more comprehensive and more robust. You'll also see interview questions for the topics that you might not be familiar with to kickstart, right? Give you a glimpse of what exactly these topics are on. This way, you're learning along with getting the benefit of resources which can help you upskill your resume, also update your resume, right? And animated learnings, right? These are the animated videos that you probably will go through. This is a video, or you can also have a GIF image. So these are all resources which help you to upskill in your journey to become a data scientist or a data analyst. So please register and kickstart your project. And please share this information with all of your friends and family members who are looking for this kind of an opportunity, but they probably are not able to get a desired opportunity to showcase their skills as an intern. All right, friends, with that, I will conclude. And as I told, good luck. And I'm very excited to work with you all. Hope this transforms, this initiation transforms your careers into very, very repeated organizations. Good luck. And thank you so much for connecting.